Time and Tense Part 2. Let's continue exploring the practical side of time and tense in English. In this part we focus on real-life sentence patterns and accuracy. You will see how tenses combine with time words to express actions clearly. Understanding these patterns improves both writing and speaking. Let's begin with present tense in real use. Present tense patterns real use. Let's understand how present tenses work in everyday situations. Use present simple for facts and routines like she drives to work. Use present continuous for actions happening now like she is driving. Common clue words include always, now and currently. These markers help choose the right present form. Past tense patterns. Let's now look at patterns of the past tense. Use past simple for completed actions like he visited Japan last year. Use past continuous for background actions like he was visiting when the storm hit. Time clues include yesterday, when and while. These clues help signal when and how long something happened. Perfect tenses in use. Let's explore the perfect tenses and their use in context. Present perfect shows past action with no specific time like they have finished their homework. Past perfect shows action before another past event like they had finished before the teacher arrived. Clue words include already, yet, before and just. Perfect tenses add precision to your storytelling. Future tense variations. Let's now examine the different forms of future tense. Use future simple for decisions or predictions like she will join tomorrow. Future continuous shows planned future activity like she will be joining at 10. Future perfect expresses completed action before a future point like she will have joined by noon. Look for time clues like tomorrow, by, and next week. These patterns help you sound natural and prepared. Tense and time indicator combo. Let's learn how tense and time indicators work together. Present perfect with since or for like I have lived here since 2015. Past continuous with when like I was studying when the power went off. Future perfect with by like I will have completed the task by Friday. Combining the right time word with the right tense brings clarity. It also shows fluency in both grammar and meaning. Common tense errors. Let's finish with some common errors in tense usage. Do not say he is know the answer, say he knows the answer. Avoid I was gone there, say I had gone there. Do not say she will become, say she will come. Tense errors confuse your message and reduce fluency. Practice correction and pattern recognition to avoid these mistakes. Let's wrap up this session on time and tense part 2. We have looked at real usage patterns, time indicators, and common errors. Tense accuracy makes your language sound natural, clear, and professional. Keep practicing with different time markers and sentence types. Thank you for learning with us at HEGSDC.com.